Welcome to Horkins. One of the most popular questions I get asked at this time of year is how to control moss on hard surface areas, on tiles, slates, walls and hard surface ground areas like tarmacadam, paving slabs or patio areas. And the one treatment that I have found very effective is PAC. PAC is a liquid, it's easy to apply and it's very fast acting. Simply mix 1 part PAC to 10 parts water and apply that over the area lightly and evenly. PAC will control moss. Within about 6 to 7 days you'll find the moss turning a brownish colour and eventually it will just disappear. This is the time of year when moss starts to grow, so it's the perfect time of year for controlling moss on all hard surface areas. PAC comes in 2 sizes, 2.5 litres, which will cover 190 square metres, or in the 5 litre size, which will cover 380 square metres. So remember, if you want to control moss on hard surface areas, on slates, tiles, walls, tarmacadam, concrete or paving slabs, I have found that PAC is the best treatment. It is easy to apply, it's very, very fast acting, and now is the perfect time of year to get it on hard surface areas in your garden. Bye for now.